Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will discuss practical, that is installation and configuration of FTP server. For that, we will require by using the software that is Cisco Packet Tracer. So for that, we required different devices, or the you can say component, that is server, then PC, router, and switch. Okay. Then after here the connections are available. So by using this automatic connection type, we can connect all these devices, server to router, then from router to switch, switch to PC, and switch to this another PC. So first we have to assign, we will set the IP address. For this we have made the topology, and now we have to set the IP address for this. So now server, desktop, IP configuration. So here two types, DHCP and statics. So by using this statics, we can assign IP address manually. So we will assign the IP address, that is 10.1.1.10. Subnet mask, it will automatically take. Default gateway, we will set the default gateway for this server is 10.1.1.1. Okay, then close the window. After that, how we verify that the IP address which we have assigned to this server? For that, go to command prompt, then type command IP config. So here you will see the IP address you have assigned, that is IPv4 10.1.1.10. So this IP address is assigned to the server. Then close this window. Then next step is we have to assign IP addresses for the PC0 and PC1. So go to PC0, desktop, IP configuration, again static. So IP address we assign for this PC is 192.168.1.10. Subnet mask, it will automatically take. Then default gateway, the default gateway for this network is 192.168.1.1. Okay, then close. Again same procedure to assign IP address for this PC1, desktop, IP configuration. So IP address is 192.168.1.20. Subnet mask, it is as it is a IP address of class C, so subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Gateway 192.168.1.1. Okay, then close. Then next step is we have assigned IP address to server, then the end devices, that is PC0 and PC1. Now next step is we have to configure the router. So initially you can say the interfaces which we have connected to the server and router, the link is down. So as we configure our router, this link will be get up. So go to router, then here CLI, then it will ask would you like to enter the initial configuration. So type no. Okay, then here you will enter into the enable mode. So type command enable. Okay, so you have entered to configuration mode. Again type configure. Okay, or we can enable from here also. Gigabyte Ethernet 0/0/0 port status is on. We have assigned IP address 10.1.1.1 subnet mask, which will automatically take at it is a class A IP address, so subnet mask will be 255.0.0.0. Then same for the Gigabyte Ethernet. For the another interface, port status is on. The IP address is 192.168.1.1. Subnet mask 255.255.255. Then close. Okay, so you can say the links are up now. So initially the link are marked as a red, both are becomes a green. Then how now we have to assign this server as a FTP server. So go to services, FTP, then port status is on. Then you have to give some username. Suppose I will give username modern and password also modern. Okay, here are different permissions which I will assign to this FTP server: write, read, delete, rename, and list, and add. So my server, FTP server, is added here, my configurations. Okay, then close. Now all the connections are completed. Now how you will check the whether this topology you have built is correct or not, or whether the connections is correct. So go to PC0, then command prompt, and try to ping to server. So ping command, it is useful for the to check reachability of the host. So in this case my host is server, so IP address of the server is 10.1.1.10. So I initially my first packet is timeout, so I will there is a loss of one packet, received packets are 3. If I will enter this command again, then the second time, as the path is already established, I will get the 0% loss, 10.1.1.10. Okay, means the connection from this PC0 to server is successful. And same I will check from the PC1. Okay, command prompt and try to ping to FTP server, the 10.1.1.10. Okay, so I will get reply that packet sent are 4, received 4, the loss is 0%. Now the next step, I have to create one file at this PC0. So I will go to PC0 text editor, then I will write some data, that is welcome to mobile computing lab. Okay, then I will save this file by using Ctrl+C, name that file mobile. Okay, so I have created file at this PC0. So I will check whether my file is present here. Mobile.txt, it is present here. Okay, so next thing I have to do, I have to upload this file on the server. So for that I will go to command prompt, then first I will go to, now I am at the PC0's C drive, so I want to enter into the FTP server. So for that command is FTP, that is file transfer protocol, and IP address of your FTP server, that is 10.1.1.10. Okay, then it will ask for the username. The username I have entered is modern, password also modern. Okay, so the message is login. I will log in into that FTP server in passive mode. Okay, now FTP server. So now I want to put my file into that FTP server. So I will write put file name. So my file name is mobile.txt. Okay, so I will get message that file transfer in progress, transfer complete. So now I am at the FTP server. So by using the command dir, that is directory, I will check whether my file is present at FTP server or not. So here you can say the file name mobile.txt, it is present here. So the next thing I have to do, I have uploaded file from this PC0 to server. Now I want to download that file from the PC1. So I will go to PC0. Sorry, I will go PC1. PC1. Then command prompt. Same. First I have to log in into FTP server. So FTP IP address 10.1.1.10. Okay, it will ask again username, modern, password, modern. Okay, so I am login onto that FTP server in passive mode. So now I want to download that file. So I will write command get and file name. My file name is mobile.txt. Okay, so transfer complete. Now how I will check? I will go to again a text editor of PC1, file, open. So my file mobile.txt is present here. If I open this file, I will get message that welcome to mobile computing lab. So as I have assigned permissions read, write, delete list, I can edit this file, save this file or delete this file. Okay, so this is your file transfer protocol in the Cisco packet tracer.